Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a newsletter in Beehiiv. Step by step, and yes, it's working in 2025 as well. So if you're looking to get your first newsletter out there fast, make sure you watch till the end. Let's get started. First, log into your Beehiiv account. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll notice a vertical menu with several icons. Click the little arrow at the top sidebar to expand it. This will reveal the menu labels. Now look for the start writing option and click on it. This opens up a blank editor where you can write your newsletter content. At the top, you can add a title and a subtitle. Make sure your title is catchy. It's the first thing your readers will see if you don't want the subtitles to appear in the mail. You can toggle it off using the switch provided. Next, you can customize the author name. You can even add guest authors if needed. At the top of the editor, you'll see the tabs like email, website, and delivery. These help you tweak how your newsletter looks and how it's sent. To make your content more engaging, type a forward slash that's ***/** to bring up a list of content blocks. From here, you can insert images, block quotes, buttons, tables, headings, and more, all to make your newsletter visually appealing and professional. Once you're done creating your content, hit preview to see how your newsletter will appear on your readers. If anything looks off, just go back and edit it. Once you've satisfied, you can either send it right away or schedule it for later. And that is it. That's how you can create newsletter in Beehiiv. If this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. See you in the next one.